Hey, my science practice is on why does a soda can explode in the freezer? Well, I'm doing this project because on August 25th, a boy in China froze his soda in the freezer, and then late at night, he tried to open it. When he opened it, the top, blew off, and it sent shards of aluminum in his face, and he had to get 38 stitches. And I'm trying to figure out, why does a soda can explode in the freezer? We're about to find out. As you can see, we are in the garage right now, and the reason why I'm doing the project in here is because it's the safest spot to do it, because not many people in my family, they don't tend to put stuff in that freezer, so I figured this is the safest spot to do it. So as you can see, I have my soda, and I have my freezer. And what I'm trying to figure out, why does the soda can pop open and explode in the freezer? And I'm gonna put it in there for about an hour or two, and when I open the freezer to see if it's exploded or not, if the can is popped open, I'm not gonna stick my head in, but I'm gonna show you through the camera because I don't want to get hurt in any way. So, let's do this. Okay. Okay. So, here is my freezer. And I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, and then, if you didn't see it, I'll show you again. Soda, right there. I'm gonna put it in there for about an hour, and then I'll check back. Now we are going to finish the first part of my project, the soda can in the freezer, and why the can will crack open under the pressure after you put it in the freezer. Now, I haven't checked it, and so far it's been 5 hours. I had a baseball game. It's been 5 hours, and I want to say, and 25 minutes. It's been 5 hours and 25 minutes. So, I am going to check it to see how it looks. So as you can see, both sides are extended out. So the reason why the gas was escaping was because the water inside the can had frozen already. And it had taken up probably about 80 or 90% of the can. And then the other 10% and 20% of the can was taken up by carbon dioxide, the stuff that makes a soda fizz when you shake it up. And so, so when I took it out, the can was the carbon dioxide inside the can was trying to get out. So that's why it started to make that fizzing noise. And I'm lucky I didn't get hurt, because it could have popped in my hand, and then I could have been like that boy in China that had to get 38. Wait, hold on. I think that was. I don't know if you can tell, but the soda finally popped. Let me get a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight. Hold on. Okay. Okay. It's the only flashlight that I have around, but. As you can see, hopefully, sorry I can't get a very good shot, but the soda popped, the can popped, and I'm gonna take it out to give you a better look. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. So that took about 5 hours and 49 minutes. Okay. Thank goodness. Now, the reason why this happened was because the carbon dioxide I was telling you about was built up inside, right? And so, as you can see, it was trying to escape. So the can, after all that pressure, holding in carbon dioxide for 5 hours, And about 5 hours and 49 minutes, it couldn't take anymore, so it just exploded. My project relates to the science textbook, as the gas was trying to expand and there was pressure on the can. And so, as the carbon dioxide was trying to escape, the pressure kept on trying to hold it in, and the can finally couldn't take all the pressure on itself, so it just split open and the carbon dioxide got out, and that's why it popped. And that is my science project.